Hi, this is Rock. We're going to look at average if and average ifs. And it's so similar to the sum if and sum ifs in terms of the differences between the two that I'm going to use the previous file. I'm going to do a move or copy. I'm going to create a copy and create a copy to this average ifs. I'm going to move to the end. Say OK. So now we've got what we were working on in the sum if and sum ifs file in the average if and average ifs. We're going to take this and we're just going to make some modifications to it to say average ifs and average if. And we'll start with the average if, and we'll just take this and change this from sum if to average if. So this is now the average of the meals. So if I filter for meals and I select these expenses, you see that the average is $457.82 as it is up here. So that's functioning. I'll clear that and come back here and do the same thing for this total, changing this sum ifs to an average ifs. And you see how that's now an average. This is going to be a little trickier because we'll have to find ones that have quite a bit of travel expenses in it to make it actually be an average versus a single item. Because this Katie meals in March is just the one. So let's actually force a number here. I'm going to make that a lot of January's, a lot of Alex's, and a lot of lodging. So if we change this to a lot of lodging, a lot of Alex, and a lot of January, you can see that's $597.84, which if I filter for these, let me reset my filter, I'll clear it and then set it. And if I filter for lodging, Alex, and January, then you can see if I select these, you look at the average down here, 597.84, and that's what we have up there. So average if and average ifs are very similar to the sum if and sum ifs and how you use them. So that's average if and average ifs. Next, we're going to look at count if and count ifs. See you then.